Hi guys, this is Kimberly. Nice to meet you all. Today I'm gonna show you medium length wig right here. This is how it looks. It looks like 1970s, right? It doesn't have same length all the way through. A little bit layered style. And it doesn't have much hair at the bottom. And the color is slightest brown. And the blonde color streaks at the top right here. So it mixed well. And it has warm tone color, so it looks good on you in the fall season, I think. And it has sewn bang right here, so you can style and drop it naturally like this. It's not that too much, so I like this part. And this is made of synthetic hair, but the fiber is very high quality and it's very light, so it looks very natural. It's right here. The fiber is very thin and fine. But at the top, right here, it looks a little fake. But I think it's worth it to wear. It's very light and just regular style. So this is perfect for all everyday wear. And the cap, it's open cap. It's very stretchable. And the hair are sewn onto the weft. So it gives more air circulation. And the hair, the weft, is sewn very lightly. It doesn't look like the much hair, but the hair are sewn a lot. So it's very low maintenance. And I recommend for a person who doesn't like lace front wig. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.